Did you know that millions of people are earning millions of money on YouTube? And millions also of content creators are not earning money on YouTube. For us, it's a different case. Today, we're going to show you how we are earning millions, or we're earning dollars on YouTube on a daily basis that results to weekly, even to monthly. So in this amazing video, this beautiful, wonderful video, we're going to be showing you how we are earning on YouTube. YouTube is one of the biggest app. In fact, YouTube is a second to Google. For you, if you want anything, you can come to YouTube. There are some people who don't know that there's money on YouTube. Whether you're doing any research, whether you are asking friends, please, I want you to dive in and start making money like us on YouTube. In this, I'm going to be bringing for you our weekly recap on what we have earned on last 7 days. And in these 7 days, we're going to be showing you the videos that have worked better, and even we're going to be bringing for you the good practices that we have really identified. And in these good practices are going to help someone out there, especially new creators. Are you monetized, or are you in the road to be monetized? Are you thinking to start YouTube today, or you're thinking to stop you've already started YouTube? Are you among the people who said, I hate being there waiting for a paycheck that is from bank to mouth and collapse, and you again wait for another paycheck? If you know you're among those people, I would love you to like this video, and please don't turn a dial. If you can, even you can share it to your friends. Whoever has a smartphone, whoever has whoever is on your Wi-Fi, or whoever is in position to get data, do they have the dreams? What are their dreams? Do they have a skill? They are all qualified to make passive income like what I'm doing. To dive in and show you how we are making money on YouTube on a daily basis. It is now becoming a culture for us. It is becoming very normal for us, like any other lifestyle, that we have to make money daily. I'm taking you in a recap of our earnings, or of our performance from February 10th to February 16th. So here we're going to see how many videos did we load. You people, we uploaded 10 videos in the last 7 days with one post. That shows you that we are consistent, and more than consistent. And we are consistent with value, not just consistent. In terms of the value, in terms of the videos we post, in terms of the quality of videos we bring up, in terms of even the good practices as far as the metadata is concerned, as we'll be seeing as we go on. So on this video, we did 10 videos in the last 7 days, and among these videos we got 5.8k people who turned in, both the new ones and the old ones. And it is so beautiful that we, out of these 5.k people that turned into us, 236 were new subscribers that came in the last 7 days. And behold, not only that, most people viewed a lot. And out of the viewing, one of the good practices that we saw that every YouTuber would love to have is how these people found us. People found us in a very beautiful way, and in a way that we really love. They found us by YouTube Home. And what is YouTube Home? Let's go and see what YouTube Home. If you go with us on the screen, YouTube Home is that interface that you get when you open your YouTube before you go to your channel. So meaning, if you see on our screen these YouTube videos that are coming up, this is where they found us. Now suppose you're a YouTuber out there and you provide your content. What makes you think, or what makes you know that your video can come on this interface of YouTube Home? There are different reasons, and there are different practices that can make your video come on YouTube Home, and we'll be seeing them in another video. But now I can tell you that for your YouTube to be on an interface, one, you should have used key searchable words. You should have an appealing and attractive or clickable thumbnail. 3, you should also have a very good description. Also, your video should have a very good resolution, among others that we'll see in details in another video. Then they also found us by what we call up next. Up next, you can get up next, like for example, if you go on a video and start watching, by the time you finish watching, there's another video that comes. Why do you think that video comes? The video comes because you are watching the video that is related to what YouTube is going to also to push for you. So this is what has been happening. And also the same thing, that for you to get your video on up next, at least there should be similarity. You should have used high key searchable words, such that if you're watching a video on finance, YouTube is going to bring for you the next in finance. Or then we go to other YouTube features. When you go to other YouTube features, this is the third way that YouTube has brought us people to watch our videos. You people, gone are the days, and even if you're a creator, you check in how people found you, you find at least 2 of these ones are not there. Please, I want you to put a question mark on your videos. You need to sit down and do good practices, please. One of the good practice I want you to do is to use key searchable words, is to make sure that you optimize your videos, is to make sure that you prepare your metadata as early as possible, and it is also to make sure that you should upload your video before at least some time, even if it is 30 minutes, even if it is 20 minutes, with metadata base, such that YouTube and algorithm should know where exactly should we push. And also, last but not least on this, if you want your video to also be among these 3, I really want you people to do one thing. I want you to make sure that when you're uploading, there is a feature that you should not click on. Let it blank, because some of us from experience, I used click on, as you can see on the on our screen, when you're uploading and they ask you, do you want the videos to be viewed by your subscribers and to also be brought to the feeds? Please untick it. From my experience, I don't know from other experiences or from other people's experience, when you tick it, it means if your subscribers at all, they don't watch your video, of which it is common, especially for us new content creators, new YouTubers. It is very common. Most people just subscribe for us because they are our friends, they are family members, but they don't know what they are supposed to do for us. Whenever the notification comes, they switch it off, or they just scroll up or swipe out. So the moment they do like that, YouTube tends to feel, no, this video is not good for other people, so they will not push it out, or they will not push for other people, and they will not, how do I call it, they will not recommend as it is supposed to be. But the moment you untick it, YouTube is going to be there and give it to the people, give it to the audience, the right audience that is supposed to watch it. So please always get to know that. And now when we come to another good practice, but before we go to another practice, let me show you what exactly, how to make $30 a day using WhatsApp. This WhatsApp I'm going to be showing you also from, you can see on the screen, how to make $30 a day using WhatsApp. This is a video that has hit 31k views with a good watch duration, and even the engagement is good. And this video has brought us a good amount of money. It has even gone ahead to bring us other topics of discussion and even teaching, since these people really want us to talk to them. They want us to tell them exactly and expand on this. This video is so good. So if you're there and if you're there and you really think you can do the same, please, I want you to jump on it. Then the second video that worked well is how to make $50 daily by monetizing WhatsApp. How to make $50 daily by monetizing WhatsApp. It is one of the video you can even see it is connected with WhatsApp. So this is the green content, and I'll be bringing for you, there are 3 types of videos that you should be doing. There are video help videos, there are popular videos, and another type. So this video of making money on WhatsApp comes into like help videos. People are looking for help to make money. Then we have also a third one that was watched highly is ChatGPT money hacks, 4 powerful prompts to stay rich. You guys, here we are. This week, people love this. Having seen our last 7 days performance, I sat down and really saw what exactly did we do well, because our performance right now since the beginning of the month up today is a bit higher than last month. And you know, last month as January, it turned the tables around. I sat down and extracted at least I saw 4 important key features that have made us get enough, at least some get attention out of those millions of videos people uploading on YouTube on a daily basis. How come ours can go on a homepage? How come ours can get some engagement? And how come ours can go to the extent of earning amount of money that is better than ever before? So I saw the first one key feature is relevant and attention-grabbing titles. Our titles are very relevant than ever before, you guys. They are very well crafted, and they are very good at grabbing people's attention. Trust me, if you see like the first title of how to earn $30, it is $30 on WhatsApp. Who will not really click there for you to earn that money? Who will not do that? So they are really accurate and they reflect the video's content. They include relevant keywords. That's what I've seen. And you see, earn, how, and earn. They also they are very conscious as in terms of their should I call it? They spark curiosity. And they raise questions. That's why you see the videos are very engaging. Then the second key thing is high quality, engaging, and informative content. Yes, I always tell you people that we give you 1%, but this 1% is high quality. It's not that we go and just come and talk. No, we are not talking something that everybody has known. No, this is high quality and it is well informative, by the way. Then out of this, it is clear structured, it is well produced, it is at the same time relevant to our target audience. It interests their needs, and even it makes them have questions. Then the third key thing that I got from these videos, and I want you to also start thinking about them, it's about we optimize. You even have a detailed, rich description. You create eye-catching descriptive thumbnail that showcase your content. This is what you'll gain. If you're there, please learn from us. This 7 days performance is not for us to show up, but it is also to teach you that you need to get these 4 key should I call them key focus as far as YouTube is concerned. Then the fourth and the last is strong call to action. CTA and engagement has been very strong. We don't bring data and content and we just put it there. We go ahead and show you, we call you to do something. So we always encourage viewers to interact. Like I remember in the last video before this one, we said, please, if you know you've ever used this, put it in the comment section. If you've never used it, also put it in the comment section. What would you want us to talk about? What is your mind on this? This is very good. And we also add a clear, prominent CTA. This one of please, you people like, comment, subscribe, of which we used not to do this. We have done a lot of asking you questions, and we have provided some additional little resource links, of which we are going to be doing it more when we are becoming independent very soon. So guys, this is how we performed, but the video is not about how we earned amount of money in 7 days. This video, if you go to check it, is to show you what can we do to improve on our videos. Thank you very much. Let's earn on this app. Let's continue to share.